Hello, and welcome to our new video. Today, I'll show you how to use the Solver add-in in Excel. To start, go to the Data tab and click on Solver in the Analysis group. In the Solver Parameters dialog box, enter the reference for the objective cell. Next, choose whether you want to maximize, minimize, or set the objective cell to a specific value. Enter the reference for the variable cells and click Add to enter constraints. In the Add Constraint dialog box, enter the cell reference, the relationship, and the constraint value. Click Add after entering each constraint, and then click OK when done. Once everything is set up, click Solve to let Solver find a solution. If Solver finds a solution, it will display a Solver Results dialog box. You can choose to keep the solution or restore the original values. Click OK to keep the solution, and there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily use the Solver add-in in Excel to optimize your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you again.